Good morning! Welcome back to my kitchen. I have a sack of groceries. Wow, that's heavy. Yeah. We are back for week 2 of the $7 Pantry Challenge. This week, let me get it all out and show it to you. All this for just $7. It's amazing, isn't it? I'll show you the receipt here in a minute. I'll get all this out and then I will show you what we got. Gosh, I'm hungry. Alright, let's turn the camera around. Alright, this is going to be a short video because I went to the store, obviously. I went to the store, and since I'm in a very small town, I just went and shopped for sales. So that's just walking up and down the aisles. And that's what I did. And this is what I got. So I got 2 cans of garbanzo beans or chickpeas. These say both garbanzo beans, chickpeas. I got a pound of navy beans, and I'm really excited about cooking these. I haven't had them in a long time, so these were, I think everything, no, that's not true. I'll show you the receipt here in a minute. I got some flavor in this grocery haul. I got 2 cans of diced green chilies, and a can of jalapeno peppers, sliced jalapenos. I'll make some nachos with these. Of course, I put green chilies and all kinds of stuff, so I don't think I have any with me other than the whole green chilies that were fresh, and y'all have seen those videos. I've been eating that. Needed some mustard. I'm getting low on mustard, so I picked that up. I'm really excited about these. But let me show you my receipt. Well, before I do that, I don't usually eat garbanzo beans. Well, let me rephrase that. Because what do I always say? Store what you eat and eat what you store. Well, I don't eat these as garbanzo beans. I don't open a can and eat these. I make hummus out of this, and I will link a old video that I did back when I was living in my sticks and bricks. It's a sriracha hummus, and I really love it, and it's from budgetbites.com. So I'll link that down below, but let me show you the receipt. All right. Can we see this? Everything was 99 cents other than the jalapeno peppers. And that was, I think, a discontinued item. And so it was 76 cents. For a total of $6.70. So a little less than $7 this week. But that's what I got. I'll get probably 3 meals out of these. I'll have snacks for a long time. And these bring flavor to whatever I'm cooking. Of course, last week we got the hot dog sauce, so I have mustard. I make hot dogs for sure. So if you're doing this challenge with me, this is week 2, and you go to the store, buy whatever you buy, put in the comments below what you're buying. If you're just now joining, join in. It's just $7 a week. We're going to do it for 7 weeks. This is week 2. And by the end of the 7 weeks, you've only spent $49. And you have a great start to your pantry. Or you've added things to your pantry that you needed to stock up on. So remember, put your comment below of the stuff that you bought this week. And I'll see y'all next time.